Hello everyone, it's Martin here. In this video I want to show you a new feature that I've added to the database, which is a new way of adding a bird with markers to the system. Now of course this was already possible, but I've been looking for a more user-friendly and easier way of doing this. And I just want to show you how it works. So let us add a new bird manually. And the new method that I've come up with I can choose here. And it basically works as a kind of point and click method where you can point at a particular position on the leg and choose to add a particular marker to. So let me show you how it works. First of all, let us set the species. And let's say we want to add a lesser black-backed gull. And I can also add a example image of that bird here to keep an eye on. Just drag it over. And this is the bird that we're going to add, a lesser black-backed gull with 3 markers, a color-coded ring, a color ring without a code, and a meta ring. And it's just a matter of now to simply click on each position to add each ring. So let's start with the color ring with a code. So we simply click on this position here. As you can see, we can choose from 3 different kinds of markers to add. The one we want to add is a color-coded one. And as soon as you make that selection, all the fields that are relevant to that particular type of marker are shown. So what we need to fill out here is the code on the ring, which is DM. It's a white ring with a red inscription, and the reading direction is up. The other ring is on the right tibia, which is a color ring but without a code, so we choose that one. And now we are only presented with the fields to enter the color. And finally we've got the metal ring to add, which is in the left tarsus. And we choose metal. I don't know the code at this particular time, so I'll leave that blank. I know it's a Dutch ring, so I choose Arnhem, Netherlands. And that's basically all there is to it. So we've now added those 3 markers to the bird. If we know them, can also add the ringing details. I don't know these at the moment, so I can just simply click on add, and that will add the birds to the database. Now there's a few things that I need to finalize and to automate, such as automatically adding the current marker code, and that's why you're seeing this screen here. But basically the process is now completed, and you can now start adding observations for that bird if you want to. Now the reason why I'm really excited about this new feature and this particular method is that it will now enable us to build in support for wader birds. For instance, if we look for a sanderling, you can see that it's typical for those projects to use small rings without a code, and also 1 or more flags, sometimes with a code, sometimes without a code. And presenting those projects in a visual way is something that's not possible at the moment in the database. But now with a new feature that I've designed, that should be really easy to implement. So that's what I'll be working on over the coming weeks. And hopefully I'll be able to show you that soon. So until then.